Today I'm going to be riding the train here in Roanoke, Virginia Mall and Valley View. So, alright, so let's do this, guys. Alright. Guys, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Wow. Alright, here we go, everyone. We're about to go, everyone. Whoa. Here we go. Whoa. Yep, here we go, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hi, Robin. Hi, Mom. Alright, this is so fun. Oh my goodness, here we go. We're going around the whole mall here. Here we go. Alright, we're going Battle of the Backpacks. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. I like the realistic train. The realistic train sounds just makes it so Here we go. We're going down on the train. Alright, guys. This is very exciting. Whoa, we're making a turn past the Mini-So. I can see Hello Kitty right there. Well, here we go, we're going. Whoa, it's so wobbly. Sheesh, it's super wobbly. Oh, there's the gumball machines, the candy machines and stuff. I can see one filled with M&M's. This is my favorite candy, actually, guys. Alright, whoa, we're passing all these stores here, guys. Victoria's Secret. Why is it called Victoria's Secret? I wonder why. Woohoo! Oh, this is so cool. There's another Battle of the Backpacks thing, guys. There's the Falgus Magnum car over there, and there's the Amitech carousel that did not work. Surprisingly, it did not work. Yeah. We're passing by the rental cars. Woohoo! Here we go on the choo-choo train. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. I thought there were some kiddie rides over there like a few minutes ago. We're passing more candy machines. Oh, we're making a turn. Oh my gosh. Whoa, here we go. We're making a turn. Whoa, we're headed back now. Ooh, look at you. Where's your child's head? Whoa, this is super cool. Whoa, there's a mirror of the choo-choo. All right, we're headed back. Here we go. Annie Ann's right there. JC Penney. Hi. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness, we're making another turn again. Here we go. The door's trying to Bye. Oh boy, this is awesome, guys. This has been an awesome day. Whoa. Whoa. There's another view of the Falgus ride over there. Oh, look at me. Look at it. There's a reflection of the train. Alright, we're coming back. We're coming back down to the station. This is exciting. Whoa! It's a little wobbly back here. riding one of these in short pump. Woohoo! Choo! Choo! I can see we're headed towards some of the kiddie rides. We're headed towards some more kiddie rides, and I think we're about to stop because the train stop is over here. Oh, I can see Mom and Robin now. All right. There's the battle of the backpacks again. Oh. And we're back at where we started, the train stop. The train station. Right out here at Bell. Oh, we're making another turn. Choo choo. And guys, that was the ride on this train here in Roanoke, Virginia. We hope you guys had a good time here today. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.